Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to put together our free SVG, the tall shot glass box. Now this box can be used for a tall shot glass that's 4 inches tall, 1.5 inches in diameter. So, or it can be used as a gift box. So the only reason I put it out as a shot glass is because I have a lot of people out there that do customized tumblers and cups, and I'm sure a few would find this handy if they were doing customized shot glasses with vinyl or etching, something like that. So what we want to start with first is to put on the panels. Very simple box. So we're going to put on the side panels and the back panel, and you just want to center it. We don't have a front one because that would be way too thin to go around that opening. Then what we're going to do is we have a little acetate piece. Now I'm not really fond of using acetate for windows, but if you do like the window, you can or cannot, you don't have to use it. Most likely I wouldn't. But I'm going to show you how to put it on. So we're going to put it on the back. So you just have to add glue around that opening. Just carefully, you want to do a real thin coat, thin layer. And then carefully apply the acetate so it doesn't get any glue. Just place it. Again, I'm one of those that if I'm going to put a gift in it, I'm going to put it in something anyways, so I don't always use the window, but I just wanted to put it in this file. It's just simple enough to add it. So it just takes a second to adhere. And I believe I had the pieces from some leftover packaging or something because I'd like to use that for the clear pieces if I can. I also have some transparency sheets that I had a box of that I use sometimes. So now we want to put together, adhere the sides of the box. So we're going to add glue to that long tab. Then we're going to line up the other edge to the tab fold, making sure that it's centered on top and bottom as well. And then just apply pressure. Just making sure the glue didn't get on the window. So you could always glue the tabs to the inside. That's up to you. Or you can glue them. I'm going to glue them on the outside because it's just at the bottom of the box. If you're using it for a gift, most people won't even notice. And then I'm using a wooden takeout Chinese chopstick, one of my favorite tools, to reach in to apply pressure because I can't get into the opening in the front. If you do not put a front window, you can just reach in, apply pressure from within, from the front in that opening. So normally I would do that, but if you can't get your fingers in because you've got a window in there, you have to use something long and kind of blunt and to apply pressure against those tabs to adhere them. And I actually do have an optional top panel that I included with the file. Well, it's actually included with all the panels. I just didn't, I chose not to put one on the top. So there is one on the top if you want another panel. That's it. It'll fit a shot glass or a maybe gift for Christmas or for birthday. It can be used really for anything. I hope you enjoyed this project. I did, and I thank you so much for watching.